There's two Gradams already in my family. My dad got the Lifetime Achievement, and my Uncle Charlie got one for composition also. And it means an awful lot to me, because just to know and understand that the music that I've written is now living in the tradition itself is what makes it really, really important for me. And I was quite emotionally overcome when I first heard it, because it came out of the blue, and it's a huge honour for me, and I'm very, very pleased to be here, especially in Limerick, because I was born in Limerick, and I first started to play the fiddle at the Limerick School of Music under a woman called Irene Hudson when I was just 8 years old. During my time with Stockton's Wing, I had many, many highlights, playing with Sammy Davis Jr., Frank Sinatra and Liza Minnelli in Lansdowne Road, probably one of the highest points. And then I had two others. One was in 1977 when I won the All-Ireland at the Fleadh in Ennis, the senior fiddle competition. And then another one when my Uncle Charlie invited me to Boston to perform his suite called Banish Ilon, the Island Wedding Suite. And that was a pivotal turning point in my whole musical career that particular night, because it was with a full orchestra. And having been kind of thrown out of the Cork City Youth Orchestra when I was about 12 for bowing in the wrong direction, I discovered, looking at a video with no music in front of me, that my bowing was the same as the orchestra behind me. And so that was really quite something.